Dito lagi, amo mo di background music. Mo pinanawan na mo ton. Okay, you are still tuned in to 97.7's Adda kami manen. And of course,
97.7s?
when 97.7's Adda apostrophe S na Adda kami manang kuno na digay. Kadim laki di man naalan. So, abo, di na masarakanan. And of course, for all occasions, abo the 4 the duo, especially no that the live shows nga kaya ta kami nga iyaman. Fiestas, kita launay, birthdays, kita launay.
Nang runa.
Natayaan KARRUBA. Abo, mabaling kami lata, oray niya nga okasyon.
Anniversary, reunion.
Like
reunions, nakasiguman.
And of course, on the 23rd day of February, birthday ni Bagko Daita. Adda kami to DJ Alfonso Lista Ifugao for a benefit show. And this is in cooperation with Our Lady of Visitation. Visitasyon, kung ano kuman sa visitation.
Siguro.
Ayan, Parish Alfonso Lista together with Villa Marcos Elementary School. Ada nga may nabuti na isang ngayon nga proyekto dang kaya damo nga malpas iso nga they get in touch with the 4 they could do tapno maragpa mo tan tay napayagan nga arapa apon nga proyekto na DJ nagbasit apo nga eskwelahan DJ Villa Marcos Elementary School ken DJ mo tan Alfonso Lista. Ayan.
Para guys nga po yung knife, it's me, R.R. Taguding of Bifar, San Mateo, Isabela.
Po anak ko, di mo nga kabisado ta knife tat na nalipata ko.
Hindi ka kabisado na ko, tabas.
Tabas Mateo, so sa limitat nga kantang.
Kuya June, good PM po, pakibati nga po yung mga friend ko. Para guys yung larawang kupas, pang bati kayo dito sa Mabini. Kuya, thanks. From 129. Diba?
Wow.
Para guys po ang mga idol yung You Made Me Live Again. Salamat po watching from Bahrain with love from Jelin Lakaden. Para guys po ng kantang Don't Ever Leave Me. Thank you from Catherine Macabitas. Hello po watching sis Janice de la Cruz from Israel. Para guys she's the one watching from Dubai.
Okay, ang rod as requested, apo kita lang amumi mo ti mabalimikan sonan. Here's something from Janet Basco, our version of the song
You Made Me Live Again.
I was down out and feeling so low. You took my hand and eased my mind. I was astray, you showed me the way, and now I finally found my home in you. I still recall the times I've been through, confused and didn't know what to do. I almost gave up, but you gave me hope. You made me strong as the days went on. You made me believe again. I was lost in the dark with my lonely broken heart. Then you came along and you took me home and made me your home. You were always there to lend a helping hand when good friends were hard to find. When things went wrong, you made them right. You made my days so bright, and you made me I was lost in the dark with my lonely broken heart. Then you came along and you took me home and made me your own. Now look at me, yes, a different man, but on my feet again. I'm not afraid to face the world again, 'cause you taught me how to be strong. You made me live again. You made me live again. May sabi apong special nga sonata tayo sagot mi kada kayo. May isang Nangato, pumanok ko mga sonata tayo maka. Wa, nagapumalaki ni Ed Sheeran na po dati nga sonata. Kat impatulod na kada kami kung na nakakanta niya mamu dati kansyong ko. Kung na, nagilokan o ni Ed Sheeran. Ngarod.
Maybe I came on too strong. Maybe I've waited too long. Maybe I played my cards wrong. Oh, just a little bit wrong. Baby, I apologize for it. Or I could fall, or I could fly here in your aeroplane. And I could live, I could die hanging on the words you say. And I've been known to give my all, jumping in harder than 10,000 rocks on the lake. So don't call me baby unless you mean it. Don't tell me you need me if you don't believe it. So let me know the truth before I dive right into you. You're a mystery. I have traveled the world. There's another other girl like you. Don't wanna watch your history. Do you have a tendency to lead some people on? 'Cause I heard you do. I could fall or I could fly here in your aeroplane. And I could live, I could die hanging on the words you say. And I've been known to give my all, lie awake every day. Don't know how much I can take. So don't call me baby unless you mean it. And don't tell me you need me if you don't believe it. So let me know the truth before I dive right into you. I could fall or I could fly here in your aeroplane. And I could live, I could die hanging on the words you say. And I've been known to give my all, sitting back, looking at every mess that I make. So don't call me baby unless you mean it. And don't tell me you need me
Nagyaman kami kada kayo karuba. Nadano na din tayo pa nagsisinan.
Nalita ang sasaya sa pagtitingin natin. Sana ay di na magwakas itong awit ng pag-ibig. Awit natin ay huwag mo kalimutan. Pangako ko naman ay lagi kang pakikinggan. Magpakailanman ang isang pag-ibig ay parang lansangan na magdalawan. Kaya sa aming awit tayo ay magbigayan. Awitin mo isa sa'yo. Awitin mo isa sa'yo.
So until next week, Karuba, the same time, 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. Only right here on your sweetest FM station in the entire universe. 97.7 Sweet Radio.
Santiago City.
Nagsamit! Ayan, di lang nga makaduwayo. Di 4 de keduwo. Di lang nga iti programa nga kastoy abo.
Da kami ti announcer.
Da kami pa iti
agkanta.
kumansyon. Da kami pa iti mangbayad ti bagbagimi.
With your text and messages. Yeah.
Ang isang pag-ibig ay parang lansangan na pangalawan. Kaya't sa aming awit tayo ay magbigayan. Awitin mo isa sa'yo. Awitin mo isa sa'yo.
So once again, goodbye everybody and God bless everyone. See you next week. Ayan, kadagiti online, kadagiti all messages. Ako, all messages. Kadagiti text messages. So Karuba, thank you very much. Nakikuha Ma'am Uma.